Okay, I just finished teaching class, and I promised you that I would record the one more piano recorder playing some music with a really nice keyboard. And this is a Yamaha keyboard, and it's got weighted keys, and I believe they're wooden keys. If they're not, they feel like they are. And I've got it adjusted with new pads. You can see some of the new pads there that will help keep it from clicking and clacking. And so we're going to play a couple of songs here and hope that we don't get flagged. Sela loves listening to the piano. Hi, C. Sela loves, and she's going to lay down here when we start. I'm almost sure she'll probably lay down here in the museum and listen to us play. We're going to play some Chopin, and so that we don't get flagged, hopefully we won't bother playing any of the other popular songs. I may try to throw in the Maple Leaf Rag. I think I told you I was going to try to include that one. So I'll find that and we'll play that one as well. Okay, here we go. Now you can hear the clumping with no audio, and you can hear the foot pedal, the sustain pedal, clumping. And there's a way to adjust that. We haven't adjusted that to be a little softer on the pedal, but so it does make a little bit of noise. And like the piano? So there you have it. Probably one of the rarest pieces in the shack up here in the museum is this piano quarter. Never seen one before, probably will never see another. And it's a real privilege to be able to share this with you. And I've been overwhelmed by the number of views, nearly 3,000 views on one of these videos already. So I hope you enjoyed it with the better quality keyboard, and I hope to get some feedback from you in YouTube. Thanks again for watching The Vintage Tech.